Good morning, you all, and happy Vlogmas. This will be up on Wednesday, December the 12th, which is actually the day that Cam has his appointment at the hospital to have his the renal function test and some type of catheter test. So I'm about to wash my hair and go back curly. I'm so excited to see how my hair looks because I just got my ends trimmed. I look crazy. I just got my ends trimmed the other day though, and I'm excited to see how it looks. Quick tip, and I think I'm gonna do another video on hair questions because I literally get questions all the time regarding my hair. But so if you have questions regarding my hair, put them in the comment section below and I will do another video on that this month. But I got my ends trimmed. They look great. Let me see if I can show you guys. See? And quick tip, whenever I only straighten my hair like once or twice a year, maybe 3 times, depending on how I'm feeling. And every time I straighten my hair, I make sure I get my ends trimmed because it's so fun to go from straight back curly with popping curls because your ends are just so crisp. Also, when I get my ends freshly trimmed, it's easier for me to detangle my hair when it's curly. So that's another tip if you're struggling with like detangling single strand knots and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using today really quickly, and I'm going to hurry up and wash my hair because Cam is asleep and he keeps waking up every time I come up here to do my hair. If you're wondering what happened here, my little brother poured water on my hair, being annoying. So that's what little brothers do, right? So this is what I'm using. I'll be using the All Soft conditioning. No, that's the wrong one. The All Soft shampoo by Redken, as well as a conditioner. This is almost gone. I just purchased the All Soft Mega Mask. This is a treatment, like a protein deep conditioning treatment. And as a leave-in, I'll be using this Garnier Fructis. Love it. It was super cheap. And then I'll be going in with the Redken Curvaceous Ringlet Lotion. And this stuff is really good too. I love it. So as I stated, let me hurry up and hop in the shower and get this done. I will be splitting my hair in 2 sections and doing 1 section washing, conditioning, deep condition, wash, condition, deep condition. And I just detangled my hair with this comb. So always go, well, not always go in. When my hair is straight, I'm gonna make sure I detangle first because it'll be easier to detangle while straight than of course curly. So I will talk to you guys after I'm back curly. Hey y'all.
Hi.
Say the curly girls.
Curly girl. My name is Taylor.
And my name is Tierra.
And Cam's name is
Cam.
Camden.
Camden. Why is it not focusing on us? Focus on me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so we are about to make some cookies.
We're about to get some cookies. Must eat them. I'm gonna go get some.
Oh, you got them at the refrigerator.
Yeah. And we gotta eat them.
Okay.
It said marshmallows.
Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Marshmallows.
Come up, boo. She's coming. She's coming.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. This is what we're making today.
So we have to open it.
Wait, let's read the directions. It says, heat the oven to 350. Are you allowed to heat the oven? Who does that?
Mommy.
All right, I'll be back to heat. Oh, let's go wash our hands.
Oh, this is the bathroom.
Yeah, I'm gonna also put my hair up. It's like 70% dry. We got more soap. So let me go get my spongy real quick and put this here up.
What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Chris, we making our way down. You excited?
Yeah.
Look at this stinker. Hey, Stink. All right, sit on the couch, boo-boo.
Okay, Mom. Mommy, make sure you take your cookies. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, them cookies were so good. I am about to start my calls for the night. So I have a call that I have to do to help my new business partner with her chart, which is like her business, like basically how we promote. And then I have a training at 7. I have a 3-way call with one of my new business partners to help her speak with someone about the business opportunity at 8. And then I have another call at 9 with my team. So, whew, this is what I do. My team is taking off right now, y'all. I'm so excited. I do have a promotion going on, but I'm being very selective with this promotion. So I have a couple of coupons that I'm actually able to give out to allow people to get their starter kit for significantly cheaper. Like I said, I'm being very selective because I'm also sharing my coupons with my new distributors that are coming in so they can hurry up and get their team built as quick as possible so they can also see success within the business. And I don't want to waste it on a person that's not serious about the business when I could be helping someone to build their business quicker. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And so if you're seriously interested in the business and you've been watching for a while and wondering what I do and how I do it, definitely hit me up so that we can discuss getting you started before the new year hits and everyone's goal is to make extra income and to lose weight. So let's talk if you're interested. Good morning, guys. Today is another snowy day. It's another snowy day. CJ just left to go to work. I'm back curly, as you guys can see. Oh, we talked about that yesterday. Disregard. Look at all the snow, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm back. My battery died. Cam said, "Hey." I'm about to show y'all him in a second. But I think I was showing you guys the snow. There's still a lot of snow outside. You'll see. So I've already had my breakfast and coffee. Taylor is asleep on the couch. Cam is over there. I just got him dressed because he had a massive blowout. So I'm about to sit down and do some work. I bought her clothes downstairs. Someone told me that they were like impressed that even though we're at home, I still get them dressed every day. I just don't like them sitting around in pajamas. Look how big he is, y'all. This is a size 6 months that he's wearing. Mind you, he's not even too much yet. I'm about to get him out of here. I just set him down so I can go get the camera. Right? Yeah. Yeah. What are you talking about? Yeah, isn't he so big? Oh, I love you so much. So, let me get my baby out of here really quick. 1 second. So I'm about to sit him in his boppy beside me while I do some work. So yeah. We're gonna chill together. So yeah, tomorrow Cam has his procedure. It's not really a procedure. He has his testing, like on his kidneys and stuff. This boy. I gotcha. So I am very, look at him. He's doing this, y'all, not me. He's standing up. He's doing that. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Have a seat. Have a seat and act like you're 1 month, okay? What else? What else? So, yeah, he's going to that, and I can't even lie, like, I'm very nervous about it. Like, I've been thinking about it all week. I just don't want him to be in pain, and I don't know if it's going to be painful to him or how he's going to react to, like, getting the IV or the catheter and stuff like that. So, I will take you guys with me. Hold on, y'all. I don't even like this pacifier, but the other one I couldn't find. But yeah, I plan to take you guys with me so you guys can see what happens, how he reacts, how I react. So yeah, that'll probably be in Friday's vlog. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see that. And then we'll find out what the results of the testing that he's getting done are on December the 19th. So I think he's getting sleepy again, y'all. I hate this pacifier. Do y'all like this pacifier? I don't like it. I just like the regular looking one. Hey you guys, I just took a shower because Cam is throwing up on me so much. So I felt dirty, took a shower. Cam is right here going to sleep, kinda. He's like, mommy, just be quiet and go to sleep so we can go to sleep together. I am talking to my team, my newbies, like one-on-one. So I'm like sending them voice texts and stuff like that just to make sure everything is good with their promotional charts and stuff, because I'm telling you guys, like, I have some great ladies on my team. I'm so excited for them and the promotions they're going after this month and going into next year and stuff. Taylor and CJ are at the gym. I always put my words together sometimes, like, depending on how quick I'm trying to talk. You okay? So, I was just, what you saw me just doing was scheduling a virtual vision board party for myself and my team. We do a lot of personal development, and if you haven't noticed, for the last 2 years I've been doing vision boards, and the things that are actually on my vision board, they happen, y'all. Like, so some call it law of attraction, I call it faith. I'm not against law of attraction either. I do believe that what you speak will happen. But yeah, so definitely doing a vision board. What I do is I sit down with my husband first, and we together write out different things that we want to happen in the new year, and then I do my vision board. The first time I did it with my friends Tiffany, Ashley, and April. And then last year I did it with Ashley and our teams. And then this year I'm going to just do it like with a virtual type party with my team. We are all in different, you know, country, cities, states. So we're just gonna meet together on our app and do that together. So this boy. He's so tired. So that's what we're gonna do. And we'll have on our little Christmas pajamas. We'll probably be playing Christmas music in the background. We will I probably will drink some coffee and like have some snacks out for myself. So that'll be really, really fun. That'll be fun. So that's what we're gonna do. My trainings begin at 8:30. It's currently like 6 something. So I'm gonna just sit up here and catch up on work, charting, talking to my business partners and customers and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I need to put up another post on Instagram. Yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Put this little guy to sleep.
Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say.